Otto, the cat. Otto the Cat by Gail Herman, illustrated by Norman Garbati. Otto is a cat. He lives in a house. My house, says Otto. He has a bed. My bed, says Otto. Otto even has a car. Today, Otto wants to go to the pet store, the pet shop. What does Otto want? He wants a new bow. He wants a new toy mouse. Otto gets everything he wants. Does he want a dog? No. Too late. The dog wants Otto. He wags his tail. Out of my car, says Otto. The dog stays put. Out of my house, says Otto. The dog stays put. Out of my bed, Otto tells the dog. Do not play with my toy mouse. Do not eat from my blue bowl. What can Otto do? Everywhere he goes, the dog goes too. All at once, Otto knows what to do. He runs out of the house to the swings. The dog runs too. I will run around and around, says Otto. I will make the dog dizzy. Then I will run back, and the dog will not find my house. Otto runs around. At last he stops. Otto is dizzy. But is the dog dizzy? No, the dog is not dizzy at all. He picks Otto up. He takes him to the house. My house, says Otto. My car, my blue bowl, my toy mouse, my bed. Otto looks at the dog. My dog, says Otto. Now they are good friends and they play together. That's all.